Okay, so we're going to have a quick look at how to work out the perimeter and area of more unusual shapes. So I've got a set of shapes here that have got all straight lines, but they're not regular rectangles. So we're going to explore how we can work out what the perimeter is of each shape and what the area is. So let's start with the perimeter. Well, it's actually much easier than you think. I'm going to change to a standout colour. And then if we look at the shape and take the two longest sides, so this side and this side, and we see that that's 6 and 7, we can just add those up, multiply by 2, and that will be the perimeter of this shape. Let's do it. So 6 plus 7, and I'm putting them in brackets because we want to add them together and then multiply by 2. So that is 13 times 2, which is 26 units. Okay, so let's just make sure we understand why we can do that. Well, if you look at the perimeter of the shape, which is obviously imagine walking the distance around it, you'd have to go down here, across here, and then if I show in a different colour maybe, you've then got to go up here and up here. I've lost that. Up here and up here. And together, they are going to make the same distance travelled as that. We've gone up that far and up that far. So actually, that distance is 4. So we've gone up another 7. Now let's have a look at how far across we've gone. So we've got to go from here to here. And we've got to go from here to here. And if you add those two distances together, you can see we've gone 2 across here, and then we've got to the other side. So those two distances are the same as that distance. That must be 4 also. So although it looks irregular, it doesn't look the same, we are still travelling the same distance up and the same distance across. Okay, so once we realise that and we believe that, then it becomes very easy to find the perimeter of these shapes. Here's our two longest sides, 6 and 5. So we can just add those two together and then multiply by 2, and that will give us the perimeter of this shape, which is 22 units. I'm saying units because it doesn't tell us whether they're millimeters, centimeters, meters. So for now, I'm just saying units. Okay, let's have a look at this third one. 5 down, 9 across. So we can just double that up by adding them together, multiply by 2. 14 times 2 equals 28, and so on. So if you feel confident, pause the video, do each of these, and then you can play it to check your answers. Okay, pause now. So 6 plus 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 times 2, 24 units. This one, 9 by 10, so 9 plus 10 multiplied by 2 is 19 times 2, which is 38. 5 by 5, so that's 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2, 10 times 2, which is 20. 10 by 7, So add them together, multiply by 2, 34. And finally, 5 and 4, multiply by 2, which is 18. So that's it. So that's a very quick way to find the perimeter of those shapes. And if you're not convinced, then you can just add up each side. So you could just follow the lines, add up each side just to double check. And once you feel confident, use the quick method. Okay, good. So that is perimeter